Hello everyone. In this lesson we are going to learn how to multiply decimals in the easy way. First of all, let's get started with this first example. Let's say we have 214 multiplied by 1.5. Before we start the normal multiplication, we need to count how many digits we have in the decimal world, okay? In this number, I only have one, so there we go. I put 1 in the box, and I multiply like there's no point at all, okay? So I'll put 214, and I'll apply the normal multiplication without the decimal point. So let's get started. 5 times 4, that's 20. 2 up and 0 down, there we go. 5 times 1, that's 5, plus 2, that's 7, and 5 times 2 is 10. Very good. We're done from the 5. Very good, and we save its place. Moving on, 1 times 4 is 4, 1 times 1 is 1, 1 times 2 is 2. Very good, we're done, and we can start with the addition. 0 plus nothing is 0, 7 plus 4 is 11, 1 down and 1 up. 1 plus 0 plus 1, that's 2, and finally we have 1 plus 2 is 3. Now, the multiplication, we're done from it. Yet, we need to remember the one that we put it in the box here. This one will tell me where I should put my decimal point back. Now, I go back to my point here. Usually I start counting from the most right, and the box said 1, so I will go back only one step. So there we go. The answer is 321.0, or another way of speaking, 321.0, or I can simply say 321. Let's take another example. Let's take 1.25 multiplied by 52. The same thing. We count how many digits we have in the decimal world. In this case, I have 2, so I will put 2 in the box. And I will start my multiplication like there's no decimal point. 125 multiplied by 52. So let's get started. 2 times 5, that's 10. 0 down, 1 up. 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5. And 2 times 1 is 2. We finished from the 2, and we save its space. 5 times 5, that's 25. 5 down and 2 up. 5 times 2 is 10, plus 2 is 12. 2 down and 1 up. And 5 times 1 is 5, plus 1 is 6. We're done from the multiplication. And now that's the time for addition. 0 plus nothing is 0. 5 plus 5 is 10. 0 down, 1 up. And 1 plus 2 plus 2, that's 5. And the 6 would remain down like this. I have to go back 2 steps backward. So from the most right, I will count 1, 2 steps, and the point will be here. The answer is 65.00, or I can simply say 65. 12.3 multiplied by 3.5. Let's get started. Let's count how many digits we have in the decimal world. Here I have 1, and here I have another 1, so in total I have 2. I put it in the box, and I multiply like there's no decimal point at all. 123 multiplied by 35. And let's get started. 5 times 3 is 15. 5 down, 1 up. I continue. 5 times 2, that's 10, plus the 1 up is 11, so 1 down, 1 up. And 5 times 1 is 5, plus 1 is 6, and there you go. We're done from the 5. I save its space. Moving on. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 2 is 6, and 3 times 1 is 3. And done from the multiplication, and it's the time for addition. 5 plus nothing is 5. 1 plus 9 is 10. 0 down and 1 up. 1 plus 6 is 7, plus 6 is 13, so 3 down and 1 up. 1 plus 3 is 4. We are done. But let's not forget the 2 steps that we have to go back from the most right. 1, 2, and the decimal point will be exactly here. And the final answer will be 43.05. And that will be it for this video. If you have any questions, don't forget to put them down in the comments below.